Good morning. My name is SVD Venugopal. Today I am discussing in Unit 6 in Software Engineering. So totally there are 6 topics in Unit 6. First one is software maintenance. Second one is software maintenance process models. And third one is maintenance cost. Fourth one is software reuse. Fifth one is what are the basic issues. In reuse. And sixth one is reuse at organization level. So totally there are 6 topics in Unit 6. First one is software maintenance, and second one is software maintenance process models, and third one is maintenance cost, fourth one is software reuse, and fifth one is what are the basic issues in reuse, and the sixth one is reuse at organization level. So now we are discussing in what is the software maintenance. First topic, software maintenance. Software maintenance. So software maintenance is not just like hardware maintenance. So in hardware maintenance, the product can be repaired by the hardware engineer by this with the help of spare parts. In software maintenance, the product can be maintained by the any change applied in the software product. Change applied in the software product, that is the software maintenance. So any change made to a software product any change made to a software product, after that it has been delivered to the customer. Any change made to a software product, after that it has been delivered to the customer. So that means the software product can be developed, and after that it can be delivered to the customer. After that any repair can be occurred. The software programming can be changed by the software engineer. That is the called as software maintenance. Now the software maintenance is the necessary for almost any kind of the product. The software maintenance is necessary for almost any kind of the product. So the software product maintenance, the software product need to maintenance due to the wear out of the use. The software maintenance need due to the wear out of product, wear out of software product. That is the important point. The next topic is software What are the characteristics of the maintenance, software maintenance? What are the characteristics of the software maintenance? So there are three important characteristics of the software maintenance. First one is corrective, and second one is adaptive, and third one is perfective. So three important characteristics. First one is corrective characteristic, and third one is adaptive, and second one is adaptive, and third one is perfective characteristics. So corrective characteristics means, corrective means the software product the software product is necessary to rectify the bugs observed. The software product is necessary to rectify the bugs observed while the system is used. It means to rectify, corrective means to rectify the bugs observed while the product is in use. So that means, so the software can be used, then any bugs can be identified, that is observed, then it can be rectified, that is called as corrective. And next one is adaptive approach. The software product must be the software product must be maintenance the software product must be maintenance when the product runs on different machines or different platforms and so on. The software product must be maintenance when the product runs on different machines or different platforms. That means the software has been executed different missions, means that is little endian format mission or big endian format mission. Otherwise one platform or another platform, that means Windows platform or Linux platform. That is the adaptive approach. The software product must be maintained due to the run on any machine, any kind of machine or any kind of operating system. So next one is perfective approach. So perfective approach means, so perfective characteristics means, so the software maintenance supports new features. The software it supports new features. The new features that user wants to support. The software, it supports new features that user demands. That is called as perfect. So the software characteristics are three important characters. One is corrective, and second one is adaptive, and third one is perfective. Corrective means to rectify the bugs observed while it is used, while the software product is used. And adaptive means the software product can be run on different kinds of machines. That is called as adaptive approach. And next one is perfective. Perfective means it supports new features to depending on the user demands. That is the three types of characteristics in software maintenance.